Hello and welcome to the video on how to set up your first class on the website Khan Academy. If you watched my previous video, you should already have a username and password. If not, I recommend checking out that video to get yourself started. Otherwise, click on this first green link that says Create Your First Class. The first thing it's going to ask you to do is to come up with a unique name for that class. I'm going to type in my last name and the school year, which is 2015-2016. And then the green link, Create Class. Now I'm going to see another screen that gives me information that I can use to help set up what my class will be viewing and working on. The first thing you're going to want to do is populate your new class with the students that you have. So I'm already into Panza 2015-16. I just need to add students. So I click on this green link here that says Add New Student. Gives me a couple different options, whether the students have an email class or they don't have an email account. Then you can share this link down here to help all of the students sign up. We're going to assume that your students have an email account through your school district, and then you can invite the students. Or without email accounts, you can create the accounts by clicking this link down here. In a similar fashion to the way that you set up your username and password to create a login screen, Khan Academy will give you different prompts to make sure that you're not missing any steps to make sure that you're adding students correctly. You'll notice it tells you that you're on step 1 of 3 for adding a new student. And the first thing you need to do is enter your student's name right here. So we're just going to create a student that has my name. And they generate a unique username for this individual student. Then click Add. Now I can enter a brand new student. And once I have all of the different class members added to this class, I can click the right button here that says Next in green, and it will continue to the next step. The next step is creating passwords and parents. And it gives you all of the directions right here and starts up a password that you can use. I'm going to change this password to one that I know that I can remember, and then click the green link that says Create Accounts. That will prompt me to the third and final step of this process, which means that you should print out the unique username and password so that you and the students remember that when they log on to Khan Academy, this will be their username and this will be their password. Click Print, and your 3 steps are complete. Notice that now I have a unique student username right here into my Panza 2015-2016 schedule. If I wanted to find out what the student was working on, I would just click on this hyperlink and it would allow me to view the student's user page, which shows me not only their profile, but the projects or videos they've been watching and working on, how many days they've been working at a topic, and what they've completed so far. But that's how you set up your class in Khan Academy. Now that you have an actual class to work with, you'll notice that Khan Academy again prompts you to continue and log in, try some things out, and see what the experience is like for your students. You can click on the third one that gives you the student experience, and it'll also give you suggestions on simple ways that you can accommodate Khan Academy into your classroom. It also helps your students log in as the very last step. You can check out my next video, which will show you what the students will actually see when they log into Khan Academy and how they can use it in your classroom starting tomorrow. I hope this video helps you set up your class.